My name's Jeff, and what you're looking at is from the 1989 and 1992 motion picture Batman. This was the coolest Batmobile ever, looking like a futuristic Corvette on steroids. I liked it so much, I decided to 3D print and build my own. As an electrical engineer, my Batmobile was 3D printed, taking me over 2 months to print, glue and build, design all the LED lighting effects, circuit for the sound effects, and design and print the decals.
Get in the car.
Which one?
Let's go. Shields.
The STL files were downloaded from gambody.com. Sorry, but no, it's not for sale. But if I were to sell it, it would not be for less than $2,500. However, now I could custom build one of these just for you, with the largest size being about 3 to 4 feet long, which would make the model up to about 1/5 scale. I can custom build the LED lighting effects, the sound effects, and the decals. The cost would be high, and you would need to put down a nice sized deposit before any work got started. Total time to complete would be about 6 months. If I were to print and build another one of these models, there would be about a dozen things that I would do differently to make the model even better. So now, if you have any questions or you'd like to get my help in building one of these for yourself, you can contact me at buildingultimatemodels@gmail.com.